my name is Justin Session, and for this assignment, my task was to make the use case diagrams and to specify the functional requirements of the project as seen on the graph to my right. And what I learned during this task was how to make an accurate use case diagram, how to specify functional requirements, and how this will apply to things in the future or later in life will be when I am a software engineer. I'll be able to create accurate graphs, diagrams, use case diagrams, so on and so forth when I need to.
Hi, my name is Alejandro Herbner, and for this part of the assignment, I served as the coordinator. And so from this assignment, I learned skills in relation to leading a team to complete a assigned task, and I'll really just apply this anytime in the future when I have to lead a team of people, like whether it be in software engineering or anything else really. And I think that the most challenging, or like the best part of this experience, is kind of making sure that everything that needed to get done did get done, and everything and on time as well.
I am William Lyons. My task for this part of the project was to do some of the system modeling. So I created the class diagrams as well as designed the database and made some diagrams for that as well. Actually, this is the use case diagram that Justin created, and then as we scroll down, I'll show this is the class diagram and the ER diagram for the database with some tables describing how those will function. What I learned from this part of the project, the biggest thing was understanding class diagrams, or getting a better understanding of it. I'm still working on understanding all of it in more detail. And using Visio, this is the first time I've really dug into it outside of in-class assignments. And it was good for me to brush up on databases, which I took last semester, but want to keep working on to make sure that sticks with me. The most challenging part was, as I'm sure it is for many, this is one of 3 group projects that I'm currently working on and that have deliverables this week. So just managing time and trying to get everything done in the amount of time. But I will take with me from this the understanding of how to put things together into class diagrams, how to actually start to design a system, so that hopefully I can make that big money that Dr. Lewis.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Sis, and for this part of the project, I am in charge of the YouTube video and writing out the full use case scenarios. So what I learned from this assignment is that when you're working on group projects, there's going to be lots of meetings, and they can be, an hour and a half long. So you have to schedule that. Some of the best parts is like interacting with more people that are in the same field. We're all passionate about this. Most challenging is just fitting this around with my other classes, my other group projects.
Hello, my name is Tiavian Jones. I was responsible for Task 3, which was to revise and refine our non-functional requirements as well as the context model. And what I've learned is basically just trying to zoom out of the whole project and get a big picture of it, and learning about, okay, what systems are interacting with our system, what are we going to be seeing on the background, or what are we going to need to implement on the background of our system that our clients wouldn't see. And I feel like this will allow me to become a better designer when it comes to the functionalities of our project as a whole. And I think, yeah, so I will apply that in the future for this project as well as in any other project that I'm working on or any other system that I'm trying to design. And the most challenging was that part, trying to not think about the details and think about other things that we may not exactly see in the forefront of our project. So, yeah.
And then you can just like zoom in on the.
Is there more up? Down?
Yeah. I'm just gonna like. There you go. Oh, and then you want to show this real quick?
So what you're seeing right now is the context model, and basically it's just describing the systems that are interacting with our system. And so we have the GSU system, which would basically confirm that the tutors that are registering for our system are actual tutors at Georgia State University, and as well as the courses that they provide for tutoring. Then you also have the tutors that are interacting with the system, and they would be the ones registering and adding the courses that they tutor for, as well as our database, which will obtain that information that the tutors are inserting, and it will spit that back out to our system whenever it is being searched for.